Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So now it's time for the CVS ad preview for the following week. See what kind of deals there are so we can have a heads up and maybe save some CRTs for next week and see where we can save the most money. So these deals are going to start on Sunday the 17th and go through the following Saturday, May 23rd. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. When I post new deals, you will be notified. So there's a lot of great deals going on the current week at CVS. I think there were about 6 money makers that I did. So if you haven't checked out the current week's deals for Walgreens, there was a scenario I did that was completely free as well. Awesome deals at CVS, so definitely check out those videos. I also did an Ibotta haul. I haven't done an Ibotta haul in quite a while with the quarantine and a lot of stay-at-home orders, but a lot of that is lifting in my county. Restaurants are opening, things like that. So headed over to Walmart on Tuesday, did an Ibotta haul. If you haven't checked that out, they will be linked at the end of this video as well. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals. Fingers crossed, CVS will have some really hot deals to take advantage of next week. So they're doing the beauty bag again, free 8-piece beauty bag. That is while supplies last, and those do run out pretty quickly. If they forget to give it to you and you hand them that coupon, just ask for it. That is on any cosmetic. So if you spend $30 in L'Oreal cosmetic, you would get back $10 in extra bucks and you would get the free beauty bag. So that could be a great deal. Revlon, spend $12, get a $4 extra buck. Maybelline, buy 2, get a 5. Neutrogena, buy any foundation, powder, blush, or concealer, get a free eye or lip with card. That's a pretty cool deal there. We have buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. These are included. I haven't seen any toilet paper. I've been starting to see some paper towels in store, so that's definitely a good sign. Then you have the 100-ounce Tide. Typically, if you buy 2 of these, the final cost I think is like $7.44 each. Not the best deal by any means, but still some great savings. We have Listerine, $3.99. That one's not the big bottle, which is a bummer. The Listerine deal that I spoke about in my Walgreens ad preview, if you haven't checked out that video, you can get some free Listerine. It can be a small moneymaker as well with a great deal going on. So I will post that in my must-do deals, but it is on the 1-liter Listerine bottles only and larger, not the 500 milliliter that are listed here. So this one would not work. Colgate is going to be $3.49, 50-cent coupon. It makes it $2.99. Buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. Definitely not the best deal. You can get them next week for 49 cents at Walgreens, so that would be a better deal for you if you have one near you. We have L'Oreal Paris hair color here, 2 for $17. $4 extra buck on 2 and a 5 off of 2 coupon coming makes them just 2 for $8, which is awesome, or $4 each. That's more than half off. So that would be a great deal if you need some hair color. I know a lot of us are missing our hair salons, our nail salons. So if you want to do it yourself in-house, that would be amazing savings. $2.99 with card, Doritos and Lay's chips. Better deal is at Walgreens next week. They're, I think, $1.88. Which is awesome because I just bought some for $2.98 at Walmart this week, so lost out on that. $2.77 with card for a 24-pack of water. That is awesome. Coke and Pepsi, buy 2, get the 3rd free. I'd say the better deal is at Walgreens next week. They are 3 for $10.99 at Walgreens. Walgreens is actually doing pretty well. Spend $20 on any of these products, get a $5 extra buck. This is new. I don't know if I've ever seen them do an extra buck on like summer items, spring items, kind of things like that. It's usually always food and merchandise, stuff like that. So this will be pretty cool if you want to get yourself something for the beach. I know a lot of beaches are opening up on the coast, so that could be something nice to kind of finally get out and get some fresh air. We have Olay Cent-A-Card coupons, buy 1, get 1 40% off, and spend $45, get a $10 extra buck. Spike Seltzer, $4 manufacturer's rebate, $10.99. Couple other beer deals here. Some wine deals. Yellowtail is $5.99. Then you're going to get a $2 extra buck. Final cost would be $3.99, which is awesome to get an extra buck on a wine purchase. And on Ibotta, let me check if it's still available for you guys. It is. There is a 50-cent back rebate on Yellowtail on select sizes. So let's see. The $7.50 is included. So then you'd get an additional 50 cents back on Ibotta, making it just $3.49 for a nice bottle of wine. That is an awesome deal. Okay, let's keep going. So these are all the items that are included. That is super cool, and I think these flip-flops are nice. I need more flip-flops. I wear them constantly in the house because we have tile all in our house, and it makes my feet sore, so I like to wear flip-flops all the time, so they get worn out really quickly. So I might be doing this deal and grabbing some more flip-flops here. This tote is super cute too. Coolers. Love the cooler with the wheels. We still don't have a cooler with wheels. Makes no sense. Okay, Persil, better deal at Walgreens. So odd that I'm saying that so much. Walgreens is really, really doing well next week. It's $4.99 and 2,000 points when you buy one. So that's a better deal. 2 for $3 on Kleenex. The Tide and Downy $5.98 Centicard coupon. $4.94 and Centicard coupon. Unless there's like an app only coupon as well, I would definitely stay away from that deal. We usually get them included in the P&G deals, and then we'll get them for, $1 or $2, something like that. But if it's just the coupon, that's $2.94. That's not the best deal. You can get them cheaper using a 5 off of 25 at Dollar General or Family Dollar. Dawn dish soap. I know a lot of people love Dawn dish soap. There's a $1 coupon that's going to be digital, which is awesome, making it just $3.99. We are getting some All and Snuggle coupons, $1 off in the Sunday paper. Hopefully we'll get a digital as well. Same deal going on at Walgreens, so you can do one at Walgreens, one at CVS, and stock up on some laundry care and dryer sheets, or the packs are included and the fabric softener. Okay, a couple candy deals, nothing really too exciting. I do need to stock up on some candy for my anniversary that I'm planning that we're doing tomorrow. So I have a couple more things. I got to run to the store and get that finished today. So hopefully it turns out like I planned. We will see. None of this is really that exciting. I guess the milk is a good deal. Buy one, get a $2 extra buck, limit of 2. I think that is regional as well. Okay, Almay, spend 12, get a $4 extra buck. L'Oreal, same deals on the front cover. Sally Hansen, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. Pringles, 2 for $3. What else? CoverGirl, spend 15, get a $6 extra buck, limit of 1. Rimmel, spend 12, get a $6 extra buck. I think that $2 Rimmel eye coupon is still available, the one that was in the previous inserts. I'm not 100% sure though, but that could be a good deal to do for that spend 30, get that free beauty bag. I'll try to put together a good scenario for you. I'll definitely have my CVS must-do deals out tomorrow. I know last week I didn't get a chance. I had just a ton of things going on, but I'll definitely make sure that I get that out. And these are so cute. Love that, because obviously the 4th of July is coming and Memorial Day. We have any L'Oreal facial care back again. Spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. There were printable coupons on coupons.com. So hopefully those are still available. There is a $2 digital, I believe. If you have a 6 off of 25 facial care and a $6 Age Perfect CRT, those are always some great deals. You'll get a $3 beauty buck as well because you're spending 30 in beauty products, and that is when you hit beauty at CVS. Eucerin is finally back. We haven't had a deal on this in a while, and we did get coupons in the 510 Smart Source insert. So it's spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. If you have like a $3.50 off of 15 lotion CRT, definitely add that. Can make for some really, really cheap lotion. I think I still have like 20 of these in my stock, to be honest. I have quite a few Eucerin, but I might keep doing that deal if it's a great deal and always something cool that you can donate. Nivea, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. I would definitely say that's a better deal than the current week. Current week is buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. So I went ahead and passed on that. So there is a 3 off of 2 coupon we got in the 510 Smart Source inserts. Excuse me. We'll have to check the price points. Nivea Men, I don't know if they're like $6.99. I don't know. I'll try to put it in my must-do deals video though, but that could be a good deal if you have like a 2 off 6 body wash, 2 off 8 body wash, something like that. Garnier, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. Burt's Bees Facial Care, Acne Care, spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. Nexus is back. We haven't had a Nexus deal at CVS in a while. Spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. Waiting for those $5 coupons to come back, or any kind of coupon would be nice. I don't have any more Nexus products in my stockpile, so really need to get back on that. Whole Blends, this will be a great deal. 2 for $7, $4 off 2 coupon coming again, which is great. And a $1 extra buck. So final cost is just $1 each. It will track towards beauty. I'll have to check if we have any coupons for Tresemme right now. I'm not sure if we do. If you have the $2.50 off of 8 Tresemme shampoo or conditioner CRT, definitely make sure that you're using that and adding it with that deal. That way you can get even more savings. And I'm not showing any Tresemme digital, so I'm not sure if we have any paper ones left. This deal I would stay away from. The current week, I think the current week there was a better deal. The 2 for $4, that's awful. We usually get these for like $1 each, sometimes 50 cents each. Okay, Copper Tone, buy 1, get 1 40% off. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. If you haven't done the $2 Ibotta rebate yet, definitely make sure that you do that. Sun Bum Sun Care, spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. Looks like some of these little travel and sample sizes are going to be in that beauty bag if you do wind up doing that deal. Get a $5 off coupon when you spend 25 or more on PG personal care products. That is going to read probably like a spend CRT, so you won't be able to use any other spend amount CRTs, just a heads up on that. Get a $5 extra buck when you buy any of these products. So 2 for $12. These are 3 for $12, so you probably have to buy 2 of each, or like 6 of these, something like that, obviously, because it's spend 15 and these are both 12, so bummer on that. There's a 5 off 3 Centicard coupon, so we'll have to see if it'll work on like this deal. I'll see if there's any good oral care deals we can put together. There's great oral care deals the current week. Got a really nice moneymaker on some Crest, so definitely check that out. There was a moneymaker at Walgreens the current week as well. So I would definitely stock up the current week. If we can't put together anything good for next week, then we can always pass. Irish Spring and Soft Soap, there's going to be a $1 instant coupon at the red box, so make sure you get that printed. Final cost will be $3.99. If you go to irishspring.com or softsoap.com, then you can print 75% off coupons, I believe, as well, if those are still available. Bulldog Skincare, Beard Care, spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. Pampers, the better deal is at Walgreens next week. You can get them for $4.99 each for 4 of them. Huggies, not a bad deal. There's some great fetch rewards going on for Huggies. So I'll make sure I put that in my must-do deals for you as well. Wipes are also included, and there are some bonuses on the wipes as well. Axe, buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. L'Oreal Elvive, $4 extra buck on 2. Have to see if there's any coupons that we can use on that. We have Colgate Optic White. And other Colgate Total mouthwashes are going to be $1.99 after the coupons and extra bucks. Not a bad deal. Maybe I will try this one again. We will see. We're getting $3 coupons in our Sunday paper, and it's buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. They're $5.99. I know Shop with Sarah posted on her Instagram a moneymaker deal for the current week. I didn't even try to deal with the Skintimate because my CRTs keep not working, and then I just get super frustrated. So I just ignored that this week. Maybe I'll try it again next week. Okay, what else? Spend 30 or more on select pain relievers. Aleve, there's a lot of fetch rewards bonuses as well. 2,500 points when you spend 15, which would be like actually $15 out of pocket. So if you're paying out of pocket, if you're not using extra bucks or anything like that, then that could be a good way to get some additional money back too. What else? Buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get a $3 extra buck on some feminine care. We have Summer's Eve products, Monistat, things like that, Little Remedies. So we'll have to check for any coupons. What else? See if there's anything else that kind of pops up. Stem and Root, spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. Benefiber and Tums, spend 20, get a 5. Imodium or Lactaid, gonna get it for $4 after coupon and extra bucks. Not a bad deal. And buy any 2 of these Health Stop Smoking aids, get a $10 extra buck, which is awesome because I know these are really expensive as well. And that is the end of the CVS ad preview. If you have any questions or anything, of course, just drop a comment, let me know. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me, and I will see you in my next video for my must-do deals.